On the third day of Vlogmas, my true love gave to me a cold morning at the gym. It is Wednesday, Vlogmas, day 3. We just got out of the gym right now, and I felt really good in that workout. I spent so much time trying to loosen my body and my hamstrings, but the shoulder fatigue started to hit in. So we've got some time before I have my first meeting of the day. We're gonna hit up the spot, the Grove, and get a latte. We'll be there in a few, but I just wanted to check in, say happy Vlogmas. I think there's enough going on every day to put a nice little story together. Like I said, there are so many things I want to try, and I think right now, though, for the next, this week and next week, I'm gonna be in the thick of work.
Okay, what do you want me to order you?
Get me a cookie butter latte.
Cookie butter latte? Do you want
oat milk?
A sandwich?
Are you gonna get a sandwich?
I think I'm going to. I'm pretty hungry.
Yeah, get me one too on the jalapeno bagel.
Okay, and then do you want it hot or iced?
I want my latte hot.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, I love you.
Alright, love you too. So I think what's going to be so fun about Vlogmas is that it's going to be a nice time to be off of work for the last kind of 2 weeks of December as well too. And I cannot wait to just dive into more content, like I said in my first video, to really experiment, to become a student again, to get excited about vlogging. I'm gonna have 2 weeks off of work kind of leading up to Christmas and the New Year. So it's gonna be a great time to just like dig into things that I've been wanting to learn. We're here at Grove. We'll see you inside.
Pork chop, that was amazing.
I do like steak 48.
Here at Grove, this is where people are saying that Action 6 would get this in focus, but who cares? It's still going in my mouth. So does it really need to be that in focus? Let's talk about YouTube real quick. Let's talk about YouTube real quick. I always think about like how fun this is and how fun it is to just like watch each other and like grow together. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do another one and I'm gonna get just a little better the next time. And I really believe that's so important, is like picking one thing that you can get better at the next video. If you're trying to do, which I do all the time, I'm trying to do all these things at once and I'm trying to like correct everything. And I don't really learn from that, because correcting everything, I don't know what I actually got better at or what I got worse at. So I believe yesterday I got better at like the setup. I reached out to Luis and I was like, hey, what do you think? And he was amazing enough to like give me some quick tips and really took his time to like explain like what could work better, which was like separating myself from the tree a little bit more. So I moved up my chair. using a key light. So I try to use my little light as more of a key light. And I'm still learning like the brightness and like the settings and low light situations, and I think that's hard. I love daylight photography, I love daylight video, but it is hard in low light situations. But the A7S III, like, I don't know, should I be using 12,800 ISO anytime I'm inside, or if I have enough light, should I use, you know, less than 800? So those are the things that I'm still practicing and experimenting and learning. All right, what's up, guys? We're going to be starting our third night of Vlogmas on the talking head cam right here in a few seconds. But we're gonna be reviewing some new hats that I got from this company that I love. But I wanted to just show you guys kind of the behind the scenes look before you see the actual talking head. So I've been thinking a lot about this, and I really think my Vlogmas is gonna be all about how I can get better at setting up my kind of talking heads and lighting. I don't think every video is gonna have that. This took a lot of work. I've got some meta footage as well. So let me take a picture. Awesome. And that's it. So real quick, hey Meta, record. So I'm recording you guys right now. You guys can kind of see from this angle as well too. I've got Leo over here watching me. I don't know where Rocky went. He's somewhere around here. But this is kind of what it looks like. So we'll get into the video right now, or into the hat unboxing and review. Just wanted to kind of show you guys from the side here. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we are here back at home, and we got our package that I'm gonna unbox. I jumped on this Black Friday deal that is 99 bucks for 4 of their hats. I don't know if they're kind of like selling all of their hats off and coming up with new lines. They always do that, but I got 4 hats that I'm really excited about, and I already have kind of like the fits in mind that I wanna kind of, you know, pair them with. So AUG 11 Co is the name of the brand. So we're gonna get into it, but before I do, we are shooting on the A7S III. Tonight, we've got the Sennheiser MK20 microphone on top. We're also recording on the DJI Mic Mini as well, just for some backup audio. This might end up being my main audio tonight. I've got the Action 5 Pro over here, just kind of on recording it if I need to sync up the audio for any reason. But that's what we're shooting on. We've got the Manfrotto travel tripod here, the B-Free. We've also got this Godox light that you've also seen. A couple practical lights, right? We're doing the same setup, but again, this is all in an effort to just get better at setting up a talking head shot. And making it feel cozy. I showed my wife my video, and she's like, I really love like the way you made it cozy, and I don't know, I just love watching videos like that. So I want this to be a time where we come together, and it's kind of like the end of the vlog, end of the day. It just so happens to be like I'm recording these and then editing them quick to get them out at night so you guys can watch them. But I kind of want to be that buddy that you look out for at night, and that's, why am I always saying weird stuff? Sorry. I don't know if that was weird. Okay, whatever. I just want to be that friend that you're like, hey, he's on, I'm gonna chill. It's kind of like your nightcap, right? So I want to be that for you. Let's get into it. All right, so we got the package today. I thought it was gonna be here tomorrow, but I'm really excited because now I can wear it tomorrow. Now I'm getting really excited. All right, here we go. Let's not ruin them. Cut away from yourself, and we're gonna lock that. All right, we're gonna keep the metas on, and we're gonna take the beanie off so you guys can kind of see my crazy hair. These hats are so nice, they can go with any outfit, and you're just gonna feel good. Tell me about the brand AUG 11 Co. It's a hat brand on Instagram.
Absolutely, Juke. So here's the rundown in a nutshell. Basically, AUG11 Co. got its name from the founder's little sister's birthday, August 11th. The story behind the brand is pretty personal. The founder went through a really rough time, like homeless and struggling with addiction, until his sister gave him a reality check. That moment basically turned his life around. So AUG11 Co. isn't just about making hats, it's about wearing a piece of that story of resilience and second chances. In other words, when they say AUG11 is a billboard, they mean each hat is kind of a statement piece with a deeper meaning. It's for folks who've had their struggles and are coming out the other side, wearing that transformation proudly.
All right, so you guys heard it from ChatGPT. I call him Schmidt. This company is all about resilience and second chances, and these hats are pretty much that way of wearing a billboard on your head, right? That speaks for that. But they also have really cool styles too. So I think blending in that amazing story and that mission is what draws me to companies and brands. And this is why I will always support this company until further notice. So let's get into it, man, because these hats are really cool. Resilience and second chances, just keep that in mind, right? When we think about filmmaking, when we think about vlogging, when we think about anything that we're going through in life, those are the things that we need to have is somebody willing to give us a second chance, even when we make mistakes, even ourselves giving ourselves a second chance. And from my first video to this third one for Vlogmas and this setup, I hope that I've shown that, hey, I could have quit after the first one and said that sucked, I'm not trying it again. But I think continuing to say, I'm gonna give myself another chance, even in that example, right? Among many others. And then having the resilience to do it, having the resilience to just get here and set everything up and just go through that whole process. I'm trying to get better at a craft, and I get to share that with you guys and hopefully inspire you to do the same thing. All right, enough talking, let's get to the hat. The first one is this right here. This baby is like the staple. That's the art hat with the Marlboro sign on it. Woo, super clean, baby. Let's go. Let's put the metas back on too, so we can see how that looks with that combo. Oh man, look at me. I'm feeling fresh. I just like wearing things that make me feel good and express myself and like things in my life, and art is one of those things, right? I work in advertising and I vlog and I create, and I feel like art is an important part of my life when it shows up in those ways. So this hat is a representation of that. The next one is the same thing. My mom-in-law calls me a granimal, you know, when you wear those pajamas that are like matching in the top and bottom, and then they have like a bunch of different animals with them. I love to get things that are like the same. Like if I find a shirt that fits me really good, I love to get the same shirt in different colors. I just get very comfortable that way. So with this hat right here, I got another one that they had, and it's an unstructured hat. So that means it doesn't have the same like super like A-frame structure like this, which is nice and fitted when you put it on, which is great. I'm gonna try this other one here, and it's the same logo. It's got that Art and Marlboro logo. It's like a black washed, but like very light. I would say almost gray to maybe, not blue, but like a gray black wash. So this one's a little bit less structured. You see kind of how it's falling versus this one is structured. This one looks really good too though. I actually really like that. I'm very big into like dad hats as well. Woo, that looks good. I like this. It's super comfy. This is like the everyday go hat that you could wear with a lot of different things. So we've got the two art hats right there. Got to rep the granimal spirit. Everything's got to rock with the metas. Woo, look at that. Dang. Okay, that's it. All right, so that's that second one. The next one is, I believe, a structured hat. It's got their big 11 in the front. It's got this logo on the side here that says heaven with the wing, and then it's got this other logo right here. This is, I feel like it's like midway between structured and unstructured. It kind of probably has that unstructured look, but it feels really nice. I've been really into camo lately. Look at that. The side. And last but not least, this one I'm really excited for. I think it's gonna be kind of another, you know, go out type of hat. It's a flannel material, and I love these colors. And this one just reminds me of those old school ball caps. It already feels amazing, and I think it's something I'm gonna wear quite a bit this winter. Just gotta have the right outfit to go, but I love this already, seeing it in person. Oh man, oh look at this. Okay, so here we go. There it is. That logo is sick. So it's an A for August, and then it's got a little 11 up here and some stars. And then it's got the words right here, unbreakable resilience. And then the little AUG 11 on the side. We're gonna put it on. Ooh, look at that one. Whew, like I said, it's like a flannel material. Definitely good for the winter. And then it's like all over too, which is nice. But it's got this navy blue bill and then this gray dome. So, man, I'm loving it. I'm loving this hat. This one looks good. Let's chew it on with the metas. This is awesome. Oh, I love this one. Sick, bro. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right. All right. So those are the hats that I got. That's my unboxing. If you guys like these hats, check out AUG 11 Co. I'm putting this vlog out tonight, so they still might have a deal going where you get 4 hats for $99. These hats usually cost about 50 to 60 bucks a pop. When I bought this one, probably over 6 months ago, maybe even over a year ago, I bought this one, and it sells out pretty fast, this white one. When I bought it, it was probably like 60 bucks, probably even 68 with shipping, but I love my hats. So to get 4 of these hats, I'm talking quality, man. Again, we are shooting on the A7S III, and we've got the setup here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the setup. I feel really good about it. I'm really happy about how it turned out tonight. And you know, the more that I do this, I think the better that I'll get. And I just want to encourage you guys, the more that you do something that feels hard, I know it takes time to set up the camera, set up all this. Sometimes I think about all the things that I have and I've gotten and just like didn't follow through in using, and then I'm like, man, I got to go back and like learn it. It stresses me out in the moment, but I think like you can make this happen with whatever you have. Use your stuff, use your gear, and get the stuff that you want to use that excites you. So I'll see you guys at the next Vlogmas. We'll see how it goes. Man, it's been a day. Love you guys. Stay human. It's the best time.